Okay, so I want agent mode to generate a complete Python server stub for this collection. I want it to include all the endpoints that are defined in the collection, request validation, response skeletons with different examples, authentication scaffolding, error handling. I want it to have a folder structure separating routes, controllers, and models. And I want it to have example unit tests for each endpoint and then a requirements file for dependencies. I want it to use Flask for the backend and PyTest for the tests. Agent mode generated a complete Python Flask server stub from this collection, and we can see that if we go to local files and we go to this new folder server, we can see all of these files that agent mode made. If we take a look, the endpoints and methods that were derived from this collection, we can see that here in the controller file. We also have request validation, response skeletons, authentication, everything that I asked for. We have the right project structure. We have routes here. We have controllers, which we just saw, and then we have the models. And then if we go to tests, we can see the tests here. Okay, so now let's go to the terminal and run this. I can see that the server is running. So now I can see this status okay. I can go to /feature flags and I can see all the feature flags that I have. And we can see we're getting all of those listed here as well in the server. We're getting 200s, 201s. So this is complete Python server stub generation with agent mode.